5 species of echinoderms that you must know. Echinoderm. Any of a variety of invertebrate marine animals belonging to the phylum Echinodermata, characterized by a hard, spiny covering or skin. Beginning with the dawn of the Cambrian period, echinoderms have a rich fossil history and are well represented by many bizarre groups, most of which are now extinct. Living representatives include the classes Crinoidea, Echinoidea, Holoturoidea, Asteroidea, and Ophiuroidea. Echinoderms also exhibit especially brilliant colors such as reds, orange, greens, and purples. Many tropical species are dark brown to black, but lighter colors, particularly yellows, are common among species since it were not normally exposed to strong sunlight. Sekarang kita di Aquaria KLCC. Jom kita teruskan mengenai Phylum Echinodermata. Jom. Okey, sekarang kita boleh dapat lihat salah satu contoh starfish dalam Phylum Echinodermata. Starfish. Marine scientists have undertaken the difficult task of replacing the beloved starfish commonly with sea star because, well, the starfish is not a fish. It's an echinoderm closely related to sea urchins and sand dollars. They have body calcified skin which protects them from most predators, and many wear striking colors that camouflage them or scare off potential attackers. Purely marine animals, there are no freshwater sea stars and only a few live in brackish water. Beyond their distinctive shape, sea stars are famous for their ability to regenerate limbs and in some cases entire bodies. They accomplish this by housing most or all of their vital organs in their arms. Most sea stars also have the remarkable ability to consume prey outside their bodies. Using tiny suction cup tube fin, they pry open clams or oysters, and their sac-like cardiac stomach emerge from their mouth and ooze inside the shell. The stomach then envelopes the prey to digest it and finally withdraws back into the body. Sea urchin. When present in large numbers, sea urchins can devastate seagrass beds in the tropics, adversely affecting the organism dwelling within. Sea urchins that burrow into rocks and along a shore can accelerate the erosion of shorelines. Other tropical species of sea urchins, however, control the growth of seaweeds in coral reefs, thereby permitting the corals to flourish. Removal of the sea urchins results in the overgrowth of seaweeds and the devastation of the coral reef habitat. Brittle star. Many brittle stars are quick and agile in comparison to most other echinoderms, especially the almost immobile sand dollar. Ophiuroids tend to move by thrashing the arms in one of several possible methods, including a rowing motion in which strokes are taken by two pairs of extended arms. The fifth arm either is extended forward in the direction in which the animal is traveling or trails behind. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumbers are elongated, soft-bodied echinoderms, while sea urchins are globular and spiny. Many sea cucumbers feed by swallowing large quantities of sediment, extracting organic matter as the sediment passes through the intestine and ejecting the remainder. Large populations of sea cucumbers in an area can turn over vast quantities of surface sediments. It can greatly alter the physical and chemical composition of the sediments. It generally lives with the mouth or oral and movement being carried out by both the tube feet and contraction and expansion of the body, which is like slug-like movement that is common in this sea cucumber. Holothurians of the family Synaptidae are able to pull themselves across a surface using their sticky tentacles as anchors. Sea lily. Sea lily, any crinoid marine invertebrate animal. In class Crinoidea, phylum Echinodermata, in which the adult is fixed to the sea bottom by a stalk. Other crinoids, such as feeder stars, resemble sea lilies. However, they lack a stalk and can move from place to place. The sea lily stalk is surmounted by a bulbous body with frond-like tentacles, and the animal resembles a plant. The stem consists of limidis, and the body has an internal skeleton of close-fitting limiplates. Sea lilies occur chiefly in deep waters where they feed on detritus.
Sampai di sini saja video kami sepanjang perjalanan ke Aquaria mencari Echinodermata. Okay, bye.